shows the growth of Marathi Wikipedia. Marathi Wikipedia started immediately after Assami Wikipedia in the year 2003. Fortunately started on the Maharashtra Day, that is on 1st of May 2003, with the article called as Vasanta Panchami. So this is the first registered kind of history maintained in the Marathi Wikipedia, and at that time there were hardly very few kind of editors and even kind of admins over there. Uh, so there are hardly like Abhay Nathu and maybe couple of other people would be there. But if you see after 2006, it has really started taking a shape. Like I have just put the milestones as per the year. Like in the year 2006, we crossed 5,000 articles, and by say this year kind of thing, till date we have got around 34,700 articles. With the graph, you may find interesting that the growth is not very exponential. There is a growth, but it is kind of steady, but not exponential, especially after 2009. The simple reason for that whatever the new article, new articles getting created, those are of little number rather than we are contributing in the existing articles. So whatever the editor base what we have, either we are contributing like adding photographs from the Wikimedia Commons, like putting the photographs first of all in the Wikimedia Commons and adding into the Marathi Wikipedia, or adding a info box, updation of the right information, and updation adding as much as information in the Marathi Wikipedia. So that is the primary work what presently we are doing. And also there is major cleanup activity which is getting on by our admins. So roughly if we are say creating say 200 articles in a month, roughly 50-60 articles which are kind of old, which are not having content kind of thing, so we are just simply removing that article and kind of thing. So cleanup activity also plays a major role in kind of this particular stable growth. This is a kind of current status of Marathi Wikipedia. We are in the 66th rank from all over the world. That is 282 languages over there. Actually, we were at around rank of 60 last year, but some of the languages has surpassed Marathi. The reason is that as we are improving the content and the quality of Marathi Wikipedia, we are not jumping upon the numbers as such. So that is the primary reason now we are at 66th. As far as Indic languages are concerned, we are at number 4. Then as I have already informed, communicated that we are having 34,700 articles, and there is a good amount of addition after 2006. Total pages are around 94,000, and number of edits are around 8,78,000. The latest, sorry, as per the latest update, we are having 11 admins in Marathi Wikipedia. Just to tell you that there is quite a misconception among the people that Marathi Wikipedia must be in Mumbai or Pune, or maybe from Nagpur. No, the fact is not like that. We have people from all over the world. Like there are 2 admins who are sitting in US, 1 admin sitting in Singapore. There are quite a few contributing editors sitting in Australia, and there are few editors who are inner part of the Maharashtra, like the places like Nevasa, which is a taluka place, and many other places. So it is purely kind of a diversified area where our editors are contributing. So that is a kind of a strength of Marathi Wikipedia, that it doesn't only belong to one area or kind of one community as such. There are total around 2,000 registered users, and presently we are around 150 active editors as such, apart from our admins. So these 150 active editors are really contributing day in day out on Marathi Wikipedia, and that is actually increasing the overall volume and the contents of Marathi Wikipedia. Presently we have got 58 bots in Marathi Wikipedia, what we normally call as a Sankamya, and they are also helping a lot, like doing some cleanup, giving links in the inter-wiki and putting up the info boxes and many other things. So they are also contributing very much as far as, means these are some of the technical aspects what we are doing. So we are taking help of technical team also to develop the bots and applying to the Marathi Wikipedia articles. As far as depth is concerned, 28 is a very good numbers as far as Marathi Wikipedia is concerned, and this number was around 20 last year. But as the quality of Marathi articles is improving, the links and many other things, this depth is 28. So if you compare the overall depth of other languages, this is very good, and we should be proud of that. This is some old stuff what I have received from one of my friend, that this is a traffic analysis of India languages. So of course English is at the very top, that is contributing to 78% of the traffic. You would see Marathi is at the 6th place, which is contributing only 2.1%. So we know that Marathi Wikipedia is a kind of small group, small community and all that. Like English has got over 38 lakhs of articles, we have got only 34,000 articles. So we accept the fact. So that is, but there is a wide scope for not only Marathi but other languages also to improve upon the contents and the other stuff as well. So these are the some of the names of the admins what we have. I was telling about the places where they belong. Abhay Nathu, he is in US, he's in software, so sitting in US, he's contributing for last 8 years. Sankalpa is from Singapore, so he's contributing for last more than 5 years. Mahidgar was in Africa, so he was contributing for last 7 years. So practically you see that we have got very old admins and all that, and they are consistently contributing for years together in Marathi Wikipedia, and they have got rich experience as far as the number of edits are concerned, and the contribution what they have done for the Marathi Wikipedia. Some of the project I would like to mention on Marathi Wikipedia what we did. Actually, many people work they always see the page recent changes, and whatever they like, they kind of update something and kind of thing. But some of the editors on Marathi Wikipedia really work on a project basis. So like some of them are engineers kind of thing. So we believe on project management. So we really take out some of the projects and work on that. So these are some of the projects we recently completed in last 1 year. That is geography details updations in articles of states, district, taluka and town. Dr. Sachin from Nevasa, who had really contributed on that. Then forts in Maharashtra, so that is my favorite topic, being I am a trekker. So we have updated most of the information of forts in Maharashtra, including the photographs and all that and this project was recently completed. Some of the contents like chemical elements was updated. This is a project classical singers. Like we have very few information as far as the classical singers even in English Wikipedia. So like whatever the Indian classical singers or Maharashtrian classical singers and all that, we don't have enough information. So we are getting information from various sources like media and whatever other places, and we have done this very good project. So I urge people to go to Marathi Wikipedia and look at this particular project. Just one second. What happened when this is also a kind of recent activity we are doing, and US President. So this is a project which was taken by Sankalpa, like updation of complete information of all US Presidents, start from day 1 till date and all that. So this project was also completed in the month of September. These are some of our future plans as far as Marathi Wikipedia is concerned. Increase the outreach. Actually, whatever the efforts what we are doing, like conducting wiki academies and generating the interest among the people, kind of fetch, attract them to come to Wikipedia, make the login and start contributing and all that. Adding more editors, so that is a challenge what we are observing. Like whatever the people come, we have to retain those editors so that they will contribute to Marathi Wikipedia in the longer run. Then we are also working on simplifying the Devanagari input. We are getting input from many people as well, and we are working on that. we are also working like increase the reach to various academies. Like there are many colleges and schools in Pune where we are kind of communicating that we need information from you, like Itihas Anshodhan Mandal and many other places, and they are ready to share such kind of information, and that really contribute to Marathi Wikipedia as such. And as I was saying in the last slide, that we would be working more on project-based activities, because that gives more output than working kind of haphazard. Like if you take a project, contribute like say 100, 200, 500 articles in the particular project, that gives enormous output as far as the limitations of number of editors is concerned. So these are some of the activities what we have planned primarily in Pune. Definitely we would be adding some activities in Mumbai as well. Like in Mumbai we conducted Wiki Academy in the month of October. Rahul Deshmukh conducted that Wiki Academy. So we are planning for many more such Wiki Academies in Marathi language across the colleges in Pune. Also we recently conducted Marathi Wikipedia and Wikipedia Commons lecture on photography, photography of Pune and all that. So that activity we just last week we did. So I just mentioned that, and some of the activities like Take Marathi event. So see, many people are coming together and sharing their knowledge. So we thought that why can't we get say a couple of hours from their full day event and can do the advertising and kind of pulling the people from them as well, as far as the Marathi Wikipedia is concerned. So we would be having a series of events which are planned till February, and we are confident that we would be adding more and more articles, more and more depth, and more details in Marathi Wikipedia. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Manda. And all people who are interested in Marathi Wikipedia, there is a separate track that is running on this Sunday on Marathi Wikipedia and related topics. So please, who are interested in Marathi Wikipedia, please attend that session. Next is, actually I missed one language, that is Nepali. Before I am going to Odia, I missed the slides. Can the volunteer from Nepali Wikipedia can come forward?
Good evening. It's me, Saroj. I'm from Nepal, and I'm one of the SysOp admin in Nepali Wikipedia, as well as an active member. I contribute from India, though, and we missed our slide, so I'm going to speak as an extempore talk. And the recent developments in Nepali Wikipedia for this year is like, we have grown our size by 300% in our number of articles and active users. Active users number has reached to 86, and the number of articles is close to 16,000. It is small though. And why Nepali Wikipedia in India? That is another question arising, because Nepali is a lingua franca. It is the official language of Nepal. Why it is coming to India? It is because of geographical diversity of the speakers of Nepali language. Nepali language speakers are there all over in the northern part of the West Bengal, Darjeeling district, Sikkim district, and Siliguri districts. There are about 14 million speakers of Nepali language. Not only there, we have Nepali speakers who speak Nepali language as their mother tongue in Uttarakhand, places like Dehradun, Nainital. And not only in Nepal and India, we have a large number of speakers of Nepali language in Bhutan and Myanmar as well. But even though we have a big number of speakers of Nepali language all over the world, we don't have active participants or participants in Nepali Wiki. We are working on, and the recent things we have done in Nepali Wiki is like we have new software, Nepali Wiki Translator, that has capability to translate English English Wikipedia articles into Nepali language that was released on the Software Freedom Day of this year. We have Nepali Wiki has presented in a conference, Nepal conference organized by Nordic Center about how we can improve research using social media tools and web tools. And we have lots of plans going ahead. We plan to develop Android apps because since the Android users' mobile platform is being a dominant platform in the computing, we plan to develop Android apps for translation and development. That's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Next is I'm inviting Mr. Subhashish from Odia Wikipedia.
Thanks, Shiju, and thanks all of you for giving me this opportunity to speak about the Odia Wiki projects. This really sad story that Odia Wikipedia is one of the wiki projects that started way back in 2002 with, along with the 3 Indian languages, Assamese, Punjabi, and Odia, with the 3 initial projects of the Wikimedia Foundation for the Indic initiatives. Then Malayalam in the same year, and till 2010, the 10th celebration, there was not much participation in the Odia Wiki activities, and from 2011 February, we have been taking initiatives to grow the community, start projects. The 2 active projects we have right now is Odia Wikipedia and Odia Wiktionary. Odia Wikipedia. And apart from that, we have incubator project, Wikikatha, that's the Odia Wikicode. Odia Wikipedia that started in 2002, which has 1,778 articles, active community building in the February 2011. Then active users are 37, total registered number of users are 2,634, admins 2, bots 7, and total number of pages are 12,541. But the good thing is these days we have been building this community in a very progressive way. We have organized 2 meetups, one meetup and 2 workshops in Bangalore, one in Bhubaneswar, one in Cuttack, and a monthly meetup. That'll be the second Indic monthly meetup after Bangalore. And apart from that, in Baleswar, so totally 7 events. Then the next project is Odia Wiktionary that started in 2005 and closed because of the lack of active participation in 2009. And this is the first Wikimedia Foundation project which was enabled in 2011, just a few months back when the participation started. This has 54 articles as of now, and 13 users, 443 total number of registered users, admins 2, bot 1, and total pages of 507. And apart from that, the next would be the Wikisource. This is a project we are going to start in a few more days. We are just waiting for the ASCII to Unicode conversion. When it happens, we have something a ready-to-use source which we will be using as a primary source for the Wikisource. And the community info, the community building since February 2011. Active community members as of now 10 to be practical, and academy and workshops 6.